This is the classic Brompton folding bicycle, which we have retrofitted with the E2 Pod Intelligent Drive System. With the E2 Pod fitted, the bike is still fully foldable and can be used with most Brompton bags. The E2 Pod uses Bosch batteries to deliver a range of up to 75 kilometers, dependent on the battery selected. Each E2 Pod comes with a handlebar-mounted wireless Bluetooth controller, which allows the user to alter the power levels whilst riding. This can also be done using the free app. The launch control feature provides a 3-second boost, enabling an effortless getaway from lights and crossings in heavy traffic. The E2 Pod with battery fitted adds just 3.9 kilos to the weight of the Brompton. We offer a 5-year warranty on the E2 Pod and will also honour the remainder of your warranty on the Brompton. Find out more and book your test ride today on our website, arcbikes.com.